Hi, my name's David. Today we're going to do freeCodeCamp, Responsive Web Design, Basic HTML and HTML5. This is very exciting because it's the first lesson in freeCodeCamp, and you get to write your very first line of code. So in this prompt, first you'll start by building a simple web page using HTML. You can edit code in your code editor, which is embedded in this web page. So this here is the code editor, and this here is the simple web page that we're looking at. And do you see the code in your code editor that says h1 hello h1? That's an HTML element that we're looking at here. And it says most HTML elements have an opening tag and a closing tag. So we can see h1, this is the opening tag here. And then there's a closing tag here. And then the difference is that there's a slash inside of this. So this H1 stands for header 1 that we're going to do. And then inside of this header 1 is what we put our text in to make it appear on the web page. And so far we have hello, and we can see the hello. Here. So the prompt says, to pass the test on the challenge, change your H1 element text to say hello world. So we just look at the H1 element here, and we change in between these tags, hello world. You type that in, and then you run the test. Great. So that is how you solve this problem.